Have you ever wondered how you can make a difference to the lives of people around you? Does service to the community matter to you? Are you interested in being part of the network of people doing great things to make a genuine difference to the lives of others? If your answer is yes to any of these questions, handsonnigeria.com is just what you're looking for. Handsonnigeria.com links volunteers to opportunities everywhere across Nigeria and brings together non-governmental organizations and companies for social good and economic development. Are you a volunteer? We'll help you find opportunities matching your skills and interests. We'll provide you with a platform to develop new skills and expand your network. We'll keep track of your volunteering and reward you for your hard work. Are you a non-governmental organization? We'll help you raise funds for your work by linking you to companies interested in funding projects like the ones you do. We'll give you visibility to the good work you're doing. You can also use the donate button on handsonnigeria.com to raise funds. Are you a company? We'll help you find corporate social responsibility opportunities matching your focus areas. We'll make sure you get visibility for your corporate social responsibility donations. We'll also assign you credits each time you make a donation. Whether you are a volunteer or you represent a non-governmental organization or a company, joining handsonnigeria.com is very simple. Visit www.handsonnigeria.com. Register and update your profile. Once you're registered and your profile is updated, you can use handsonnigeria.com to find opportunities to make a positive difference to your community. If you find a story or course you like on handsonnigeria.com, you can instantly share it with your social network on Facebook and Twitter. You can also subscribe to our newsletter and stay informed about upcoming projects and opportunities. Welcome to handsonnigeria.com, linking Nigerians to voluntary opportunities everywhere.